Hi, kindergarten, and welcome to your foundational skills lesson for today. Remember that we can use the ending S to tell about more than one. When there is more than one cat, we use the word cats. Guess what? There is another way that we can use the word ending S. Listen to this sentence. The girl jumps. Did you hear the S sound at the end of the word jumps? I'll say it again. The girl jumps. The ending S can be used to tell what one girl is doing. We're going to learn more about ways to use the word ending S. Now, let's play with the sounds in words. We are going to practice blending the sounds in words. I will say the sounds in a word, and you will blend the sounds to say the word. Look at the pictures. Now listen and try to figure out the word. Ape. When I put the sounds together, I get the word tape. Which picture shows tape? Here it is. Listen to the next word. In. What word? 10. That's right. Which picture shows 10? It's the picture on the right. Listen to these words, tape and 10. What is the same about the sounds in tape and in? Both words start with the same sound, the T. What is different about the sounds in ape and in? Tape and 10 have different ending sounds. Great job. Let's keep going. Listen. Log. What word? Log. Which picture? The picture on the right. Log. Bug. What word? Bug. Which picture? It's the picture on the left. Bug. What word? Ready? In. Pen. Which picture? This picture shows a pen. Listen. Lock. What word? Lock. Which picture? The picture on the left. This picture shows the lock. Bus. What word? Bus. Which picture? This picture shows the bus. Listen. Pan. What word? Pan. Which picture? The picture on the left. This picture shows the pan. Now, let's do some practice listening for the ending sound in words. Look at the picture of caps. Do you see it? I hear S at the end of caps. Now you say it. Caps. Good. Now look at the picture of pens. Listen. Pens. What do you hear at the end of pens? That's right. Remember that the letter S can make the S sound like in caps or the Z sound like pens. Let's keep going. I will say a word and you will say the ending sound. Ready? Listen. Bats. Bats. What sound do you hear? You're right. It's S. Bats. Good. Let's continue with these words. Gabs. Gabs. If you said Z, you're right. The next word is caps. Caps. I hear the sound S. That's the S. The next word is hugs. Hugs. Do you hear the Z? The Z sound in hugs? The next word is chats. Chats. Do you hear the S sound? It's the S. How about the word jogs? Jogs. Do you hear the Z in the word jogs? The next word is dabs. Dabs. I hear the Z sound in the word dabs. The next word is kicks. Kicks. Do you hear the S sound at the end of the word kicks? Next is fits. Fits. I hear that S. And the last one is lays. Lays. I hear the Z. Great job. Remember, we've learned that if we add S to the end of a noun, it means there is more than one. Let's learn another way ending S is used. So look at the blue word tiles and read them with me. Pat, pat, and pats. What is the same about both of these words? Both of these words start with pat. Now, what is different about the words? Pats ends with the letter S. Pats. That's right. The word pat is a verb or an action. And when you use the S ending with an action word, it tells about what one thing or person is doing. Dana and Patrick pat the dog. Dana pats the dog. So what word? Pat. If you cover that S up, the word is pat. With the S on the end, the word is pats. Pats. My grandmother pats my head. In the sentence, the S ending tells us that one person is doing something. Let's look at some more words. Look at the row of words next to the number 1 here. Dip, dips. Dip, dips. What's the word? The word is dip. What ending? S. What's the word? Dips. Kylie dips her feet into the water. Remember, the S can stand for the S sound, like dips, or the Z sound, like in pins. All right, let's do the next one. Number 2, nap, naps. Ryan naps on the couch. Number 3, run. If you add the S, runs. Anna runs in the playground. Runs. The next word is tap. Tap, taps. The teacher taps on her desk when she wants you to be quiet. Taps. Taps. Look at the green word tiles. All right, what are the words that we see? I see the word cat, and cat is a noun. Cats. Cats. So what's the ending? Do you hear the S? S. When we add the S to something to the noun cat, it means more than one cat. My friend has 3 cats. All right, let's look at the next one. What is the word? Pats. Pats. The word is pat, and when you add the S ending, the new word becomes pats. And it tells what one thing or person is doing. My sister pats the dog's head. We're going to sort words by nouns and verbs. Words that are nouns or things go under cats, and words that are verbs, actions, go under pats. Look at the first blue word tile. The word is cars. Cars. Say it with me. Cars. Is the word cars a noun or a verb? It's a noun. A car is a thing. If we say cars, that means there is more than one car. Should we put cars under cats or pats? So cars should go under cats because it's a noun. Good job. Let's do the remaining words. The next one is jumps. Jumps. Is that a noun like cats, a thing, or an action like pats? We would put jumps here with pats because that's an action. That's a verb. Talks. Talks. We're going to put talks under pats because that's a verb. The next one is runs. 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 I'm going to put runs under pats also because that is a verb. It's an action. How about the word walls? Walls. Walls is a noun like cats, so we would place that here with cats. Walls. The next one is shoes. Shoes. Shoes is a noun, and we would place that here under cats. Cats. Great. All right, let's learn some new words. This word is me. All right, so look at the word and repeat the word after me. Me. My brother drove me to school. Me. Are you ready for the next word? Sits. Sits. Anna sits next to me at lunch. Sits. The word sits is spelled with 4 letters. S-I-T-S. Do you see that S on the end? Sits. All right. The next one is the word with. With. Look at the word. With. Dion went to the zoo with his dad. Say the word with me. With. With. The word with is spelled with 4 letters. W-I-T-H. With. Let's read all the new words we learned together. Ready? Me. Sits. With. Me. Sits. With. We learned how to use the word ending S to tell about more than one noun. The word cats tells about more than one cat. We also learned how to use the word ending S to tell about an action or a verb that one person or thing does. The word jumps tells what the girl is doing. We're going to learn about the word ending S and practice using it later in the week. I'll see you soon.